Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a Rancilio Silvia. We're going to start with the steam, quick purge, and then, whoa, there we go. It's a nice strong steam. And we're going to temper down for coffee. So at this point we're going to release some of that steam and we'll incorporate water into the boiler by pressing water, slowly bringing in. This machine has a nice new pump, new knob, new fascia. Here we go. Water's coming up. Stop. We're all ready for our shot. There we go, we'll cut that just a little short, but nice shot from a nice machine, strong steam. Thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.